Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tea with milk powder. I am using this milk powder. Okay. Adding 1 cup of water. Okay. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of tea powder. I'm adding ilachi. If you want, you can add ginger also. Adding water into milk powder. Okay. Next, I'm adding this into let it boil for 5 minutes. Finally, I am adding sugar into our tea. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons as per your requirement. Finally, our milk powder tea is ready. Finally, I am adding our tea into our cup. Here is our final output.